Hello everyone, Model Airport Nation here, coming at you guys with another unboxing update. Well, I just got deliveries here of my new aircraft that will be going into my new Kaluhi Model Airport, as well as some LAX. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright everybody, here they all are, side by side. Decided to do the Hawaiians first. 6 Hawaiian aircraft. Might be getting a couple more as well, just so I can make the layout even more realistic. But yeah, it looks pretty awesome to have 6 of these things side by side. There it is with the new livery on it. Sometimes you just gotta get a bunch to make it look realistic. So these are all the same. I figure these usually go up in price when they start to sell out and they get a little bit more rare until they make a new one, so I figured why not just get a bunch of them. There you go. We'll get them out on the layout here and we'll show you guys what they look like next to each other. Alright everybody, here are all the 717s together. 6 brand new 717s to my Hawaiian fleet. You can tell they look a lot more detailed and colorful than the first 717 or the older paint scheme that I have just set down right here. So here's a comparison. You can see from left to right that it is a huge difference. Even the wing has a different, like a darker color. It's a little bit more detailed as well. So very happy with this purchase of these 717s, and hopefully this helps out my fleet. It makes my Hawaiian airports look a lot more realistic, and you can connect them together between each of the Hawaiian Islands a lot more easier. Here are some of them lined up at Kaluhi Airport here. So it looks pretty realistic with all the Hawaiian airplanes. Thank you guys again for watching my video, Model Airport Nation. Please subscribe for more, leave a thumbs up. Really helps me out, guys. Also, Model Airport Nation on TikTok. That's where I run all my airports from on there. Instagram's a little bit different. Kaluhi Model Airport Instagram. I also have LAX Model Airport Instagram. And Model Airport Nation on Instagram. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next video.